For installing a hard drive in a laptop, the process is similar to installing memory in a laptop, in that usually you do not have to take the laptop apart too much just to get to the hard drive bay. In this particular case, I pulled the battery out for safety reasons, and the hard drive bay is right here. I've already pulled out the old hard drive. Now what I have here is a new 2.5-inch SATA drive that I'm going to plug into this laptop. Here's the SATA connectors, and it's similar to a desktop except we don't have a SATA cable to worry about. It's actually built into the chip. So I'm just going to push this in, get it lined up first. Now it's important when you put the hard drive in to make sure you can see the screw holes here so you can get the screws back in correctly. The hard drive is well mounted. All I have to do is put the screws back in, put the cover back on, put the battery back in, plug this in, turn it on, and we have a new hard drive. The installation you saw was that of a 2.5-inch magnetic disk. What I am showing here is a 2.5-inch solid-state drive. The difference besides the size? Well, the SSD drive doesn't have cylinders, is much faster, and is virtually indestructible. As a result, it is quite a bit more expensive when compared to a magnetic drive. You may also hear of a hybrid drive, which has both a solid-state piece and a magnetic piece. As data is stored on the hard drive, the drive figures out which data is accessed most often, and that data is cached in the SSD portion of the drive. By the way, these come in 1.8-inch models as well, so know what your base size is before you purchase one of these.